Well, good morning. Coming to you from about 5:30 a.m. on a Monday morning. And I would show you what it's like outside, but it's dark and it's cold and you really wouldn't see anything. But I wanted to drop you this video for two reasons. One was to just give you a little bit of insight into what makes me me, and one to give you a little bit of encouragement. So what makes me me is that I have two alarm settings on my alarm. One is for 5 a.m. and one is for 6 a.m. And I would say I would normally use the 5 a.m. alarm unless I really got to sleep late the night before and need that extra hour sleep in. And I've been that way for a long time, as long as I can remember, because, and I know some people are morning people and some people are late night people, but I'm an early morning person, so I am very clear. I have a lot of clarity in the morning. I get a lot of things done. So, yep, I'm up at 5 a.m. most mornings, or at least awake at 5 a.m. most mornings. And that enables me to get a lot of things done in my day. The second thing is, a lot of people ask me, where did I find the time to write my 3 books, to do my artwork, to work a full-time job, and still get these things done on the side. And getting up at 5 a.m. is one of the ways that I've been able to do that, And I do encourage you that, a lot of people say, well, I don't have the time for this and I don't have the time for that. But I've always maintained that if you really want to do something, like if you passionately want to do something, if you're determined to do it, you will find a way to do it. And that may be just getting up half an hour earlier each day, or going to sleep half an hour later each day, or like it was in the case of my first book when I wrote it, I was going back and forth to work on the train, and so I would take those snatches of time, which was about, if I can remember, about 45 minutes each way, every day, every work day, and use that to write my book. So I do encourage you, never use the excuse of I don't have enough time. Because I think if you find how much time you spend, watching TV or doing other things, you will find the time. So there we go. Good morning. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.